screen, you can share screen or you can record. You are welcome.
Sorry, I was muted. Assalamualaikum. Good evening. How are you, everybody? Am I audible?
I'm fine.
Sir,
And you?
am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. At first, heartily gratitude to Almighty because we are going.
Yes, you
ma'am.
are
Yes.
clearly audible.
Sorry for that. I have disconnected. Now I'm starting from the beginning. Now am I audible? I have disconnected for 2 times, sir. Can you hear me?
Okay, not an issue. Take your time.
Okay, can I start?
Ji, ma'am.
You are most welcome to our last session. I mean, presentation session, 15th session. We have started our journey. Named India Bangladesh Telecollaboration Project, and this is our 15th session. We are going to start 15th session. We are the 4 members. Our honorable Ramesh sir, our Mustafa Kamal sir is not visible.
Best achievement, then what you learn and obstacles if you face something, and what path didn't you like in this project.
But I want to share it, sir.
Okay. As you wish. As you wish. I am making you host again.
Again, I am trying to start. We the 4 members, Ramesh sir, Mustafa Kamal sir, Mohammad Rabiullah sir, and me, Jasmine Sultana. I want to show my all presentation at a glance. In the first session, At a glance, this is my slide. In this first session, we have presented my own self and our school life. And at the in the second session, at a glance, this is all the slides of my second session. You have to make me host, sir.
Jasmine, you are host now.
Sir, you have to make me host, sir.
You are host, ma'am.
Thank you. This is all about 13th session at a glance. And the presenter of 13th session was our Rabiullah sir. And this is about clean water and sanitization. And overview of the 14th session, we have learned about holidays and gift giving in the first part, and in the second part we have learned about reduce inequalities. And I was the presenter of 14th session. And at a glance, these are from the 14th session. And in the first part of this 14th session, we have learned about our holidays and how to we celebrate our holidays in detail. And in the second part of the session, 14th session, we have learned about reduce inequalities. Now I'm going to start 15th session. I have learned from this project at first. First of all, I learned from this project that it was a complete scenario of India, from Bangladesh, family bonding system, nature and natural geography, economy, lifestyle, and lot of rich cultural activities. Secondly, I have learned from this project the necessary SDG goal, which are unknown to me elaborately. Now I have learned a little bit about SDG. SDG number 1, that means no poverty. I have learned SDG number 2, that means zero hunger. We have learned about SDG number 3, that means good health and well-being. And we have learned SDG number 4, that means quality education. And SDG number 5, gender equality. SDG number 6, clean water and sanitation. And finally, we have learned SDG number 10, reduce inequalities. And third and finally, I have learned from this project that is collaboration from transformative knowledge, behavior, activity, sincerity, which we have shown over Ramesh sir. Ramesh sir is the reflection of sincerity, flexibility, concern of one and others, because we know that our Ramesh sir was so caring. When we have
Thank you.
we have expressed our emotion, we have expressed our problem, then Ramesh sir will try to try at his best level best to solve this. One and others, reliability. Finally, I had learned how can give facilitation to another and creation of based bonding friendship. We think we have a bonding of friendship, isn't it, sir? Am I true? Am I correct?
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
Certainly, we have made very much and deeper bonding.
Thank you. From out of boundary, that means out of our border, I go to India to meet Ramesh sir, and Ramesh sir comes here to meet Jasmine Sultana, to meet Rabiullah and Mustafa Kamal sir. This is the out of boundary. Now I want to say what first you didn't like in this project. Actually, this is this project, this journey was very exciting, was very fantastic, was very interesting, because all the session we Ramesh sir has presented a colorful and informative, useful, fruitful presentation, and we have learned more things from his presentation. So there was no unlike thing to me. I have nothing to dislike in this project. Rather, we enjoyed the project very much. I think you will agree with me. Rabiullah sir, are you agree with me?
Yes, yes.
Yes, we know that our journey was very enjoyable. Perhaps we become hopeless, but yeah, today we can say we are success. We are succeed. Uh, but there are some obstacles. We know that every good things have some obstacle, and we have to overcome these obstacles, and then we can win. We were late to start our project activities. I am saying at the first history of this journey. Firstly, I couldn't able to connect with one of my team members. You know, this is Mustafa Kamal sir. I wrote the message to find him in his cell phone personally for several times. Then I sent message in our WhatsApp group, but he was missing. He was not there. Finally, I am able to connect him, and thanks God. In the meantime, many of our colleagues of different groups have started their session. I was worried about this. I think you were also worried. Am I correct, sir? Rabiullah, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Alhamdulillah, at last we have
You are
started
right.
our session on what is the date, Rabiullah sir? What is the date of our first session? Can you remember it? I have forgotten. For this reason, I have not mentioned here. After that, sometime we were going first. Sometimes we were in the last position because of our illness, of our business, of other training session, family affairs, duties of our professions. I was very much anxious how we complete all of the session, and I am always I was knocking our Ramesh sir, what about our next session? What about our next session? Uh, I didn't know that if our Ramesh sir is the it is the issue to irritate him, sir. Is it the issue of irritation, sir? Ramesh sir? No, I think he is very much he have very patience. So this is not the issue of Ramesh sir. We have to face some difficulties, obstacles to run our session. But now we are at the ending point. We are at the finishing point, Alhamdulillah. And for this reason, heartfelt gratitude to Almighty, and thanks to our team members, our Ramesh sir, our Mustafa Kamal sir, and our Rabiullah sir. And thanks to our coordinators, our Honorable Yul Grace Saloni sir, our Honorable Aisha Siddiqa ma'am, and our Honorable Salma Ahmed ma'am. Thanks to all. And this is the end of this journey, I think. Thanks a lot, my dear friends. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
And
Very nice.
thank you again, and goodbye. Goodbye again. I now I'm very sad, but we have to say goodbye. And thank you again, my dear friends. Thank you.
We will be always in touch, so don't feel worried about that, because we are not just part of this presentation or this project. We are a friend of each other now. So
Obviously, sir, we are friends forever.
whenever we will yes, we are friends for forever. Whenever we think that we need to meet, we will meet on Zoom or video call, or group will be forever there for us. So don't think like that we